Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we'll see how you can create dependencies in tasks. Here we have a project, and here we can see a list of all the tasks. In the To-Do section, there's a task named Write Blog Content, which is dependent on keyword research. Let's create a dependency for this task. Simply click on the task name for a detailed view of the task. At the bottom, there's an option labeled Dependencies. Click on this option. You'll then be prompted to select the task on which our current task depends. Click on Select Task and choose the appropriate task from the list. In this case, our task depends on keyword research. Next, we need to select the type of dependency. Click on Type to view 4 different options. The first option is Start to Start, which means that we must begin keyword research before we can start writing content. The second option is Start to Finish, which means we must initiate keyword research to complete the blog content. The third option is Finish to Start, implying that we need to complete keyword research before we can begin writing content. The final option is Finish to Finish, which means we must complete keyword research before we can finish writing the blog content. For this example, we'll select the third option, Finish to Start, which means we need to complete keyword research before we can start writing the blog content. Next to Type, you'll find the Lag option. This allows us to add a delay between the two tasks. In this case, we'll add a 1-day delay, so we'll input 1. This means there will be a 1-day gap between the keyword research task and blog content writing. Once all the details are in place, click on the check mark to finalize the dependency. As you can see, our dependency has been successfully created. That's how easy it is to create dependencies within tasks. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.